everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to download Mp3 Juice application on your device. To get started, tap on the Play Store on your device or any app store that is available on your device. Once you open, tap on the search or the web address bar on top of the screen. Now you need to type in Mp3 Juice. Once you are done typing it, tap on the search icon on the keyboard, which is at the bottom right corner. So on this result section, you will be able to find out different Mp3 music downloader, where the application that you need to download is the fourth application you can see over here. Simply tap on it. So the application look like this. So you can tap on install button. If you are having the problem of storage, then you can simply delete some of your application on the device and simply you can download it on your device. Once the application gets installed on your device, you can easily use this application. So Mp3 Juice application is basically a popular online music storage and download platform that allows users to find and download Mp3 music files from the internet. So I hope you find this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button. Thanks for watching.